How to find accepted follow requests notifications settings on Instagram Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to find accepted follow request notification settings on Instagram Lite. First, then open Instagram Lite and then just click on your profile here in the bottom corner and then click these three lines in the top. Now click settings and then click notifications. Here you will see following and followers. Click on it and then just here you will find accepted follow requests. Here you can manage it, you can turn it off or on just by one click and then just go back. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe. And thank you for watching this video until the end and see you in the next video.